everybody. Hello everybody, Aiden here. We're going to be bringing you a Five Nights at Freddy's video. Involves Freddy, Chica and Bonnie. Let's get into it.
Possibly some more animatronics.
Come on, possibly.
Continue night 2.
Yeah, we're stuck on night 2 and have to survive until 6 AM.
And how are we going to do that?
We don't know. We fit the lighting home. Is it better without this? Woo!
Yes.
But oh no, my torch. Yeah, my torch is on. So it ruins lighting.
Sorry,
I'm
guys.
turning my torch off.
Okay, sorry about this, guys.
My torch is off.
Okay, yeah.
Maybe it's just weird lighting. Okay. Hey, cameras. Check the cameras.
Oh, home. They're both gone.
They're both gone. We can't see it either. It's jittering. Yeah. Well, the way you can get jump scared. So,
Scary.
if you don't like loud voices
Or like
and
scary things,
stuff,
do
click
not watch
off
it.
now
Yeah.
because this is scary.
And you're going to get petrified.
You get
I'm
petrified.
scared. This is our first time playing it though, isn't it?
Yeah. You got.
Because we downloaded it like 10 minutes ago.
83 power. Unless that power comes off, then who is it? We've got Freddy will come and jump scare us.
And Freddy's gone.
Freddy's gone.
Oh no, he's not. He's still there.
Shoot. He's still there, but you can't see it. We're going to survive until 6 AM, and we're on night 2, and it's 1 AM. Look, I'm scared. Look. Oh, wow, what? Have you got blue in your tongue? Oh.
I bet you're blue popsicle.
Oh, wow, okay. So my fingers keep getting in the way.
I heard noise.
No, they are. It's my recording. I'm thinking about doing a 10-minute video. He's there!
Oh
No, he's going to jump scare us. Check the cameras. He's going to jump scare us. Oh, scared us. Oh my god. Guys, for some reason my
torch is still on.
My torch is on.
Aiden, talk to the people because I need to go take a pee.
Oh,
so talk to the people.
jump scared me. Okay, guys, see. These means yeah. I'm terrible at Five Nights at Freddy's. Okay. If you can hear music, it's because I got that game. Oh my! And this comes in and just jump scares me. Okay. Guys, I may have to end this short because this keeps lagging out.
And yeah, so
Guys, this keeps lagging out.
was the game of Five Nights at Freddy's.
That's the game of Five Nights at Freddy's.
Hope you enjoyed.
We'll only go for like 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Well, like until like 5 minutes, and then we'll stop recording.
And I hope you like this video.
Yeah, as we said.
And Bonnie's gone.
And we said if you hate loud noises and you're scared,
Click off this video.
Click off because Freddy just jump scared. Oh, Logan.
My little drill.
He's got a little drill.
Oh man!
Okay,
Back to normal.
Back to normal. So, wait, check the other door. Check the other door. Is he there? Okay, he's not there.
Oh.
I am recording this off camera. And yeah, my phone doesn't take loads of gigabytes. It sucks. Where are they? Taking cameras. Check the cameras. Oh, Chica's there.
Well, I know where Bonnie is.
Where's Bonnie? Where's Bonnie?
Somewhere in those hallways. I don't know.
You have to. until we get jump scared. It's 2 a.m.
Aiden, let's talk about.
When we get jump scared, then I'll end the video. Oh my! We already got jump scared, isn't? By the way, we're so bad at this game. Sorry if that lighting is very annoying. It's because my torch is on and I can't stop that. When I record now, apparently my torch goes on. Oh shoot! He's there!
No, but we haven't been.
I get the win.
But we haven't been jump scared yet.
Check the cameras.
Fuck you! Did you see his eyes like?
Yeah. Okay, sorry about that swearing. Logan just went ballistic.
Yeah. Aiden, can I show my long tongue?
No, we're fine. It's very long. So guys, drop a like in the video if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you later.
Goodbye.
Logan.
I bet I scared him.